Alright guys, I'm back here again at this little creek. Got some new baits I'm gonna throw. I got the bellow shad Temu clone, and then I got the Gancraft 30. I believe this is a AliExpress clone. I got my BFS reel, and then I got the new Tackle Warehouse release color from Baits, also both Baits reels. But we're gonna see if we could go ahead and catch some fish on these, and if not, then I'll be switching to some of the guap baits that I made and see if we can leak up on that. So let's go ahead and see what we could get here, and we'll be back. All right guys, so first up we got the Gancraft clone from AliExpress. Let's throw this. I might have to dial in this reel right here because it's a little bit light. I mean, this is my BFF setup, so let's see. Oh, actually, it flung it pretty good. She looks good in the water. She has like a good chopping motion. Let's see. Hopefully we could link up on one. Oh shoot. Ooh, we almost lost it. We almost got cut up on that tree. Hope we have a follower. Okay. So we just had a follower right now. Alright guys, we got the bellows gills clone from Temu. Very well made. Like and I have the originals, I just don't have them on me, but this thing is well made. Feels just like the original. So I think that would be fine right there. We're throwing it weightless. Again, it might not be tuned in. I might have to tune it in on my rod right here. Come on, I'm all tangled up. There we go. Alright, let's give her first cast. Let's see what she do. Pick my camera. What do y'all see here? It's kind of hard to see. Alright. Alright, not bad. I think I could go a little bit down on my brake. Now I should have thrown it and seen the sink rate, because the bellows gills, the original, I know how that one sinks, so I don't know how fast this one or how slow this one sinks. Alright, she sings pretty slow. I think she sings slower than the original Bellows Gills. Man, we got hit. We hit a tree. I was too busy looking at this homeless guy, making sure he wasn't coming close to me. Alright, let's see. Yeah, she definitely falls slow. I think a little slower than I would like. So I think this would have to be on a like a little Texas rig with maybe like a 1/8 ounce. So it won't fall too fast, but it won't fall too slow. Which unfortunately I don't have weights with me right now because all I got is my BFF stuff. Oh, we'll see if something hits it. If not, I'm gonna throw a guap money stick on. Oh, we got something. There we go. Woo, they hit it. Here we go, here we go. On the Bellows Gill. Check it out, people. Oh, catch and release. All right, guys, let me fix my bait up and we'll be back. Well, we got one on the Bellows Gill, so let me go ahead and rig up and we'll be back. All right, guys, that was the first fish of the day, and I'm gonna count it as landed because it did hit land. But she shook off right here at the end. We'll be back with the Bellows Gill. I mean, they hit it, so they liked it. This reel is throwing it nice. It's super light, and I can't explain, but it is nice and smooth, and you could cast a good distance with this. For it not to be a BFF setup, I might be able to use it for a BFF setup. Got him on the Mojo Bass St. Croix rod. It's a 7.1 medium heavy action power, but it has a fast tip on it, so it's able to fling these baits a little bit further than usual. All right, guys, we are going to throw on this guap money stick and mortar oil. Check that out. Doesn't that look beautiful? Now, the plastic I use is a sinking plastic. So this one right now does not have salt, so it'll sink slower than like the Gary Yamamoto's, but it will sink, which I think, in my opinion, I like more, because as it's falling slowly, I would give it some slight taps and give it a little bit more action. Now I like both versions, salted and unsalted. So I throw both of them, but these do hit pretty good without salt, and I do have some with salt, so I'll be throwing both today. Let's rig up the Cinco, I mean the guap money stick. Right here. There we go, and there we are. Guap money stick and mortar oil. Oh, speaking of weights, look, I just found a bullet weight. A little jacked up, but let's go ahead and give her a cast or two right here. Oh, and the wind had to pick up, huh? That's the only bad thing about throwing weightless too sometimes, is if it's windy, it's hard to hit your target perfect. And I actually hit my target. All right, guys, decisions. Where do I want to throw? Got some money crawls with the green and blue flake. Okay, we got like some chartreuse. We got some translucent smoke with gold purple flake and the chartreuse stinger at the back. We got some green with blue flake. The motor oil. What else do we got? I think I got more up in here. Got some black, blue stingers, some purple and pink cotton candies. Let's see, did I bring any that were salted though? Try some salted ones. I want to say actually we might have forgot them. I mean, I think those crawls are salted, but I don't want to throw a crawl right now. Man, I think I did forget the salted baits. Let's double check. I know those weren't salted. I think I did. Peoples. I think we forgot the salted ones. Alright, let me rig up and we'll be back. Alright guys, we found them. These were the salted ones. So now we have a salted money stick. This is kind of like a dark greenish with some blue flake in it. Let's see if this one will slap. Forgot to bring a belt. And my pants keep falling. Oh, let me pick these up. Don't want to forget my covers. I've already lost so many. Those in there. Let's fix the camera. There we go. So let's give her a cast this way. Now these fall at the same rate as a Gary Yamamoto, because I test them all in the aquarium I have at the house, and I test the fall rate. Alright guys, we moved to this spot. There started to be a whole bunch of homeless people gathering around. And I still hear some. So you see that brush up there? I think there's some homeless people and they're camping because I hear them talking. Definitely a good place to fish, but could be dangerous, man. Especially that many gathered up. I must have to start carrying when I come to this creek right here, because it's usually just me by myself, and right now I'm fishing, but I'm having to keep watching over my back. Alright guys, I saw this sign. I'm kind of interested to see what it says. Might be concerning like the homeless people here. Oh, they got a mattress. They got like a little fort right here. This site will be closed and cleaned. That's what it says. And they got like a whole little house up here. I don't know if y'all could see it. Alright, let's move on. Oh, we got something. Got him. Woo! And he did a little bit acrobatics for us. Come on, come on. Oh, they look about a 2-pounder. Oof, there we go. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Check that out. On this weird looking Temu bait, we finally got one. This has some flash in the water, man. As it's flashing, it looks like a fish that's flashing a mate. And well, she hit it. There we go, hook out. She feel heavy too. She's probably like 2. She could be almost 2-3. Let's get a weight on her. But look at her, man. She is gorgeous. Gorgeous fish. Let's turn it on. Clear it out. I'm wrong. 1.86. She felt like a 2. 1.86. Let's get her back in. Pretty little fish. Go turn into a 5-pounder. And there she goes. But man, I tied on this. They weren't hitting anything right now. They hit the billowgill shad in the beginning, but couldn't get a fish except for that first one. Tried sinkos, crawls. Right now I tied on this weird looking bait. Kind of looks like a chub, grub. It's elastic, but it flashes in the water like a fish that's flashing its mate. And I think that's what caught this fish's attention and hit it. So let's get her back in business. There we go. Oh, come on. Now it floats. It does not sink, so I had to put a split shot on her. What happened here? There we go. Actually, I had the hook in the wrong end. There we are. So the hook goes out to this side. There we are. Back in business. And it has a hook slot, so it just falls into the hook slot, so it becomes weedless. You can see I got the split shot on. Let's see if we could grab another one. So we got 2 fish under our belts, people, as of right now. Alright guys, we got one finally. We finally got one. No, and he got me hung up right there. Oh shoot, we hung up. He got me on this piece of wood. Alright, there we go. We got him. Woo! Oh man, it was going a long time, man, without catching the fish. But we got one on this clone Roberlo's or something like that. I can't remember the name of it, but it's a clone from Temu. Check that out. Woo! We finally got one. Throw him back in. That's a new bait. New bait we caught one on. We're just burning it in. I was actually trying to catch a different fish, but he hit. Oh, I think we're tied up. Are we? Oh no, we're good.
was actually trying to catch a fish that was over here. In fact, I'm watching him right now. He was hitting this and swiping at it, but he wouldn't fully take it. He was just grabbing the tail. Let's go back up and see if we could get him. He ain't hitting it no more. All right, let's keep moving. Oh, I don't know if that was a fish or what, but something grabbed it. Oh, he grabbed it again. Come on, just fully take it. Alright guys, we finally got this fish right here. Oh, he's in his reeds. Oh, we got him. Whew. Finally got him. He hit the guap money crawl. Check that out. Let's get him off. There we go, guap money crawl. That's what he decided to hit. Let's get him back in. All right, now we can finally move on. All right, we got one, peoples. Oh, she a toad. She looked pretty good. Come on, come on, come on. Woo, she digging. I should have flipped. Oh, I can't flip her. Oh, we got her. Woo. Oh, this one's a toad. Finally got a good quality fish. Check her out, peoples. She looks like she's been rubbing up against something. She is fat. Let's get a weight on her. She's at least 2 pounds. Maybe 2.5. 2.3. Oh, actually, let me. Come on. What happened here? Here we go. Clear it. $1.92. Man, these fish feel heavy. Let's clear it again. Clear it. $1.90. But man, she feels heavy. Yeah, she about 192, 193 around there. It just keeps flip-flopping. Let's get her back in. There she goes. Off to the masses. Now she hit that red crawl. I've never caught anything off of it, but today was the day. Oh, come on, get back in my bag. All right guys, let me get my stuff back in here and we'll be back. Oh, we got her. We finally got her. Oh, she's a fatty. Oh shit, she's big. She's barely hooked. We got her. Whew. Oh man, I think she's either spawned out because she is skinny, but it looks like she should have been like a 3-pounder. Look at her. She is gorgeous. She might have had her eggs right there. Let's get a weight on her. Oh, we finally got her. And she hit the Cinco, the guap stick, with the little split shot out at the end. Let's turn it on. We're going to clear. Oh, we're in kg. Now we're in pounds. Clear. 2.5. So she is 2.5 pounds. I'm saying she should have been 3. She is skinny. So she probably spawned out already. But look at her. Beautiful. Let me cut y'all off so I can take a selfie and then we'll be back. Alright, we got a quick picture with her. She is skinny, probably spawned out. Beautiful. Let's get her back in. Go become a 5-pounder soon. Now I can come back and catch you. Woo! That one did give me a little bit of trouble. I threw a bunch of stuff at her, but at the end, she hit the guap money stick on a split shot. I didn't want to have to re-rig and do like a Texas rig because they're not hitting really anything falling slow right now. They're hitting movement, stuff that is erratic. So I'll show y'all right now. So we got her on basically like a generic Texas rig. Like if you didn't have anything else, it's like, okay, let me grab a split shot. We're gonna use that as our bullet weight. Oh man, she got me all full of grass. That's good enough. So this is what we got her on. The guap money stick on a split shot. There she is, the guap money stick on a split shot to imitate a Texas rig. And she hit it. As soon as she saw it, she ran after it. There we go. I was wondering why we're all looking all rinka-dinked. There we go. Alright, let's move spots and we'll be back. Alright, we'll move it down a few feet. Got one. Woo! Oh, he came off. No. We had her, man. On a little spinner bait. Alright, I just seen some bass right here. Still this little spinner bait. Oh, got one. Woo! Got one off the spinner bait. Oh, and no, she got caught in the trash right there, man, and then she popped off. Well, I know the spinner bait works. Got him. Woo! There we go. Little dink. Right out the spinner bait. Oh, and he just popped off. I'll tell you what, there's a weed guard on here. That weed guard is what's not getting the good hook set. Well, got a little dink right here. She hit the little spinner bait. Let's get her back in. Let's see what else. We'll grab something else off of it. Little turtle. We're almost to the truck. It's been a long, hot day. Caught a few, lost a few. Story of my life. Alright guys, we're back at the truck. It was a freaking hot day. I'm tired. And I had to climb up a big hill just to get back to my truck. And all in all, it was a pretty good day. You know, we had nice weather even though it was hot. We caught a few bass, lost a few. We caught a 2.5 pounder that should have been 3 or pushing over 3, but I think she was spawned out already. But other than that, like I said, we caught a few, lost a few. But other than that, appreciate y'all watching, subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting. Woo! Tell someone to tell someone, because you know that's how we get the channel out. Other than that, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.